Hi guys, and welcome back. If you are new to our channel, my name is Ashley from Agent Renovation, and today I am making my cold calls live. So we have a back end system that I'm just logging into. I will start pulling them up, and I'm gonna write 1 to 25 on my sheet today. I normally do a couple more than 25, but I've got my high school interns coming in. I host interns from the different high schools in the local area. So my first lead is called Girding, and he's looking in North Vancouver for a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom. The budget is 1.5 million to 1.8, and he has viewed 6 properties on my site. Let's see, oh, all 6 were for the same location. That's always a good sign. It's a house up in Lynn Valley. Hi, is this Girding?
No, this is not Girding. This is Janice.
Oh, okay, Janice. I think somebody's entered your information online.
Okay, yeah, because I got a weird text from you guys and I had no idea what was going on.
Oh, no. We're a real estate company with a home search site, so somebody's put your phone number in for a lead request for a viewing. I'll just take it off for you. I can tell.
Okay, all right, perfect.
Awesome. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye. Okay, so that's a bad number. Obviously, the two didn't match up. The email is also not going through, so the email looks like it could be real. However, it's got like an alert symbol on it. And if I look at the email communication analytics, I can see that this person has a 0% email click-through rate, a 0% open email rate, and a 0% open on the alerts. I'm guessing they're not getting these emails. I'm just gonna delete the lead altogether. You guys know my theory, less is more. I don't need a full pipeline, I need the proper pipeline. Okay, so I'm gonna actually start calling them because there's so many of them. And what I can actually help share as a value add is about Lupine Walk. So Lupine Walk is this amazing new development coming to North Van, right over at the Ravenwoods, right on the other side of our office. We love the buildings. We love the master plan community of Ravenwoods and Seymour Village. We actually just got to participate in their video. So I think I will share that with my calls today, and I will attempt to extract some really good sales from this list though, so I try not to burn it out.
You have reached the voicemail.
So I'm not gonna leave a voicemail. I don't wanna tip anyone off. Duncan was looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath in North Van, so Lupine could be perfect.
Called is not assigned.
Bad
Please check the number
number.
and try to call again. Le numéro de téléphone que
BA means bad number. Need a book, check mark. It's a good tip if you have like a really good list, don't burn it out. Hi, is this Karimi?
Pardon?
Is this Karimi?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, thank you. Oh. I think great start to the day. So I'm just gonna take a little break, reach out to Apple. Hi, I'm Ashley from the ARM Group, and today I'm excited to share with you the latest addition to the Ravenwoods Master Plan community, Lupine Walk. Lupine Walk will not be 1 building, but 2 buildings. There is an east building and a west building. There will be 222 homes in total. In the east building will be your first opportunity to purchase. There are 109 homes available in the east building. Square footage will range from 536 square feet to 978 square feet. There will be 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms available. There are 16 floor plans in total. Living and working in the community, I know how popular these floor plans are going to be. It has been many years since east of Seymour has had new construction of 1 and 2 bedroom homes. And if you're wondering why Seymour is the place to live, it's all about the ocean, the trails, the nature, and the mountains. It's all about not having to commute in to be with nature. It's about waking up in the morning and deciding which activity you will do today. As a long-term resident of the Seymour area, born and raised, there is a reason why people don't leave once they move here. Seymour Village and Ravenwoods is known for its community, and Lupine Walk will be your next opportunity to secure a piece of the best of the North Shore living. This has been Ashley from the ARM Group, and if you're interested in Lupine Walk, I look forward to hearing from you. We nailed the color match on this, and that was unintentional. I love this. This is like an Alice in Wonderland blue. Everybody knows how much I love these notebooks. And I use a different notebook for every single project because I don't like contaminate my businesses. This is a really big lesson that took me a long time to learn, is like every business has to have its own notebooks. Every business has to have all its own credit cards. I know that seems obvious. You have no idea how many times I used to swipe the wrong one. How many days until October 31st? 2022. By the way, October 31st equals an 11, which is an amazing to get an 11 closing. Okay, I don't know how I keep getting this wrong. It's so weird. It gives me a different number every day. Anyways, okay, so we're gonna retract here. It is day 231. On non-bright days, it is the worst lighting ever in this store, which is ironic because it's the best lighting ever when it's a nice day, and you guys know that from the photos we take. It's not a nice day, so heads up. I decided last night that just things are winding down. The transition has a balance point that has made me uncomfortable in a sense of like, okay, I really gotta get my head in the game. I am so do right now, and I need to look up because things are about to change. And I have done this in the past. I did this when we moved out of our family home, which I very much loved and was a huge transition for our family. In moments of massive change, I have this amazing ability to just like disappear, go MIA, and basically just wake up one day and be like, oh, that's different, or that's now that.